Hi, welcome to TrueRent video tutorial recording transactions. This video will discuss recording 4 types of transactions: rent, deposits, expenses, and loan payments. To get started, go to the main dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see on your right-hand side the box Enter Transactions. We'll record our first transaction, which is going to be rent for 98 Park Place, apartment number 1, which is last name Way, tenant's name is Way. The rent amount is $22.95. You can see how it auto-populates. And we'll make the transaction for for August 1st. The tenant paid by check, and it went into our Park Place general checking. We can make a quick reference here if we'd like. That was check number 101. We could also attach a file if we'd like by clicking attach, and that we can then save an image of the check. Next, we'll click submit, and you can see the transaction's been saved successfully. If you wanted to delete the transaction, go down to the click on the transaction row, go down to the bottom where it says delete transaction, and click delete, and now the transaction's been deleted. So we'll quickly go through and just record that transaction, put it back into the system, and you can see how quickly you can record transactions. Next, we're going to record a deposit for a new tenant who just moved into 1525 Opal. The tenant's name is Carlson. And to make that entry, go down to custom entry and go down to deposit, and the payer's name is Carlson. And the deposit amount was $2,300. Click go, and it was made by a cashier's check, and click submit. And that transaction's been saved. Carlson has made a deposit. Our next entry is going to be for 1501 or 1500 Broderick Street. We'll go down to general since we're making a repair to the property. And the repair that we've made a purchase at Home Depot for $375.55. And that was for new electrical wiring. And we also paid check, and we can click submit. And you can see how that's loaded within the most recent transaction area. Our next payment is going to be a loan payment for 1201 Webster. To make a loan payment, go down to general. The payments is with Citibank. And our payment's $93.02, which we've pre-saved in the property section. If we want to make in this case, it's an interest-only loan, so we'll leave that as it is, but we've also made an additional $1,500 principal payment. And you can see down in the loan balance area, it updates the current loan balance as soon as you enter the additional principal. We'll click done. That payment was made on the 15th of the month, so we'll go back and update that, and it was made by check, and it came out of our Webster General account. And we can also attach a copy of the statement if we'd like here. But we'll skip that for now. Once done, click submit. And you can see how the Citibank transaction has been recorded here. We'll do one more expense. We'll record an expense for 98 Park Place. It was a general expense. It was done with PG&E, which is our electrical company. And the total payment was $157.53. And we made that back on August 1st, so we'll backdate that, and it's a check out of our Park Place. And again, we can attach a file if we'd like, but we'll skip that for now. And you can see it auto-populates. It's also keeping track of how much we've spent this month and how much we've received in rents and what we have scheduled in rents. If you go down to the bottom at the investment analysis, it'll give you a quick overview of how your property is performing. We have 40 units selected, and it shows our scheduled rents in this box. If you'd like, you could also go to Snapshot, and Snapshot will give you a quick overview of how your properties are performing. In this case, we have 4 properties loaded, and this is a quick overview of where we stand. This is our annual scheduled rents, total property value, equity, loan to value, percentage, and then these all will start to populate as you start to fill out the data, and it'll give you a quick income statement for each property. Again, that's a quick overview of how to record transactions. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@truerent.com or go to the bottom of your dashboard page, any page within the site, and you can email us here, and your email will come straight to our support center, and we can respond to you that way. Just click submit, and that's how it works. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us again at support@truerent.com.